top. And we see it looks like Ricardo Jean's going to be coming through here with a hole from the bottom of the model and going to be creating a second hole here. Interesting. So didn't do it with Hole Wizard, but did it with a cut extrude. And Mehtab did the same thing, did it with 2 cut extrudes. And wow, Mehtab did that so fast. Hey, what's up, everybody? Before we get into today's epic CAD vs. CAD battle, I just wanted to make a quick announcement. All month, we're going to be taking the challenges from the tournament, and we're going to be remixing them a little bit, maybe changing some dimensions, changing the material, and we're going to be adding them to the library over at tootalltoby.com. So if you want to challenge yourself to see if you could model these parts faster than our speed modelers from the tournament, this is your chance. Head over to tootalltoby.com, sign up for an account, and unlock Practice Models Premium. And we are going to continue remixing these tournament challenges and posting them in the Practice Models library all month. So I hope you guys enjoy all those challenges. And of course, be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think about today's CAD vs. CAD battle. Like that. So GG to Mehtab, and guys, let's move back to the Wheel of Fate, sponsored by our friends over at Plasticity. Thank you to Plasticity sponsoring the Wheel of Fate. Very cool stuff here. If you're ever doing surface modeling, if you're ever doing, if trying to do direct CAD editing, you can do it all in Plasticity and then export it directly into your CAD workflow. Visit them at plasticity.xyz. And of course, if you see them on social media, let them know that you appreciate their sponsorship of the Wheel of Fate. Guys, there's only 3 possible choices here. Who's going to show their clairvoyance here from these 3 possible choices? Let's shuffle this thing up and let's give this thing a spin. Here we go. The Wheel of Fate is speaking to me, and it's saying that we are going to see drawing number 26. Good luck to both of our runners. Mehtab has earned 1 point. If he can earn this next point, he will move on to the Final Four and win a 3D printer. If Ricardo can win this point, then we all win because we all get to see another match between these 2 epic runners. Here we go. This CAD vs. CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1. Go! What is the mass of this part in XXXX grams? The tolerance is plus or minus 2 grams, and this part is in millimeters and built from plain carbon steel. Good luck to both of our runners. They've both already grabbed a screenshot. They're both already in the CAD system. They're both already demonstrating their plan. Wow, wow, wow. I cannot believe how fast they can do this. And Mehtab jumps ahead. Ricardo Jean draws first blood. Wow. Ricardo Jean draws first blood, extrudes that thing. It's got some draft on it. Mehtab has some draft on his as well. And both of our runners are now trying to draft in the second direction. This base plate has draft in 2 different directions. One has 15 and one has a different number. And so both of our runners are trying to figure out the most elegant way to get that draft on those parts in 2 directions. And Ricardo moves on to the next feature, drawing that main shaft that's coming up from the bottom, trying to figure out what the height of that shaft should be. And now we see Ricardo jumping to a front plane, drawing a circle here on the front plane, and probably going to draw a second circle here on the front plane. That would be my guess. Meanwhile, we see Mehtab kind of following in suit, a little bit behind Ricardo, playing a little bit of catch-up. Mehtab drawing that shaft coming up from the bottom, and then beginning a second sketch here to create the location of and create those circles. But interesting, Mehtab decided to create that extrusion as a solid. I wonder if he's going to use shell again. He loves the shell command, and maybe he just tries to use it everywhere that he can. We will find out here in just a moment. Wow, guys. Mehtab getting in there and doing that with a cut extrude, and Ricardo Jean getting in there and doing it with a cut extrude as well to get that little notch up top. And we see it looks like Ricardo Jean's going to be coming through here with a hole from the bottom of the model and going to be creating a second hole here. Interesting. So didn't do it with Hole Wizard, but did it with a cut extrude. And Mehtab did the same thing, did it with 2 cut extrudes. And wow, Mehtab did that so fast. I know we've seen him do that in previous tournaments really quickly. And so this is really coming down to the wire, guys. Both of our runners here are kind of trying to get this final feature or final couple of features in place. Wow, I look to the left, I look to the right. It could be anybody's game at this point. This is really going to be close here. We are watching the chat. And Mehtab comes in with an answer 1953 grams, and that is not correct. That is not correct. 1953 is not correct within tolerance. And so Mehtab possibly opening the door for Ricardo here, but Ricardo seems like he's getting stuck on a really simple circular cut extrude. Man, that's got to be frustrating. But Ricardo Jean looks like he's coming through here now. He got that shape created, and now we're watching the chat. We're watching the chat, and let's see what ends up happening here. And Ricardo Jean comes in with an answer 1950 grams. And that is correct. And wow, Ricardo Jean, way to go, my friend. And Mehtab, so close. Mehtab coming in with the correct answer right behind Ricardo Jean now as well. Oh my goodness, guys. That was back and forth watching both of those screens. But it's Ricardo Jean who earns that point. And wow, super close from both of our runners. This is what we like to see. This is what we were hoping for, guys. We're going to a fourth battle here between these runners. Oh my goodness. Man, what a battle. Ricardo Jean got so frustrated there with that circle, could not get that circle to cut extrude for some reason, and just decided I'm gonna make a new plane and I'll extrude it.